What's up traders? Dmitrii here. Today we're taking a deep dive into Skyrexio's Alert Bot builder and turning any TradingView indicator into a fully automated trading machine. Ready? Let's roll. In the Alert Bot wizard, I choose a virtual exchange for safe testing, select the USDT market so the bot can trade any USDT pair, and allocate 5,000 USDT that's split as alerts fire. I then slide the active pair's control to 4, letting the bot keep up to 4 positions open, each on whichever pair the next alert targets. Hit next, and the core setup is done. Now for the magic, converting chart signals into orders. Over on TradingView, I load up the Ichimoku Cloud Indicator, my go-to for trend shifts. I open the alert panel, set the condition to Ichimoku Cloud's strong bullish signal. In the message box, I drop the entry JSON that tells Skyrexio, open a market buy at alert, and in the webhook field, I paste the unique URL Skyrexio generated for this bot. Save the alert, boom, first entry rule locked. But markets aren't one-dimensional, so let's layer an extra entry equal to the base order. So in TradingView, I create a new alert. This one also fires when Ichimoku Cloud's strong bullish signal. Back in Skyrexio, I choose the custom alert option and copy the alert message that pops up and paste in TradingView alert. Now our bot can be triggered by additional entry. We still need an exit plan. Back on TradingView, I add a fresh alert, this time keyed to an Ichimoku strong bearish condition, perfect for catching reversals. In Skyrexio, I open the close orders section, select custom, and grab the close order JSON. Returning to TradingView, I paste the JSON into the message box, verify the webhook matches, and save the alert. Now the bot will automatically close any open position the instant that bearish signal fires, locking in profits or cutting losses without me lifting a finger. Everything's configured, so I hit Create Bot. A confirmation window appears. Here I name it Ichi Auto Trader, click Create, then smash Start. From this moment on, every time Ichimoku flashes a signal, Skyrexio will catch the alert in real time and execute the order on my exchange account, manage position sizes, track P&L, and enforce risk rules, all while I'm sleeping, working, or chilling. That's it. Exchange set, market selected, entry and exit alerts wired, bot named and launched. In under 5 minutes, we transformed a TradingView indicator into a hands-free trading engine. Give it a try, let me know how your bots perform, and as always, let's grow those portfolios together and maybe add a few extra zeros along the way. Catch you in the next one.